Started off our conversation with Bob Elliott. He is CEO and CIO over at Unlimited. And Alix says it's all about tech. Maybe they should be their own index. And, you know, the Magnificent Seven, it pretty much is. And then you look at all the other national markets, whether it's the U.S., whether it's China, whether it's anything else. You take out U.S. tech. How attractive is the U.S. market and the U.S. economy to the rest of the investing world?
Well, I think what the mega tech stocks really are highlighting is the cyclical strength of the economy. When you actually break these stocks down, what are they really? Amazon is consumer sales and business investment. Google is advertising. Meta is advertising. And so I think what they're really showing is that in aggregate, the U.S. economy, nominal GDP growth, it's very strong. It continues, and they just have some of the highest betas and best cash flows to that strength in the overall economy. So when you look to the rest of the overall market, what you see is companies that maybe aren't quite as strong and are more sensitive to the liquidity conditions that are going on. But those companies have a chance to rally in these sort of environments as liquidity starts to ease a little bit, the Fed shifts their policy stance, and GDP growth continues to expand.
So is that a buy small caps?
That's right. I mean, you could easily get a rotation here into the small caps.
But will it last? I mean, we saw this trap last year and did not last.
Well, I think the main reason why it didn't last was the real question was whether monetary policy was going to continue to be tight. And whether that tightness of monetary policy and the difficult of financing conditions was going to keep weighing on those companies that needed the ongoing financing. We're shifting to almost a perfect situation for many of those companies where the economy is good, but we're shifting to an easing cycle with low valuations. You put that all together, if people are looking for corners of the market that haven't been bid up nearly as much, they're going to look to those areas like energy and small cap.